Hey guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. I want to put out this quick video and show you a brand new product that I just launched. Here is the product. It has 151,000 people searching for this term right here. This is the term that we got it ranked for. This term, we have it on the 18th spot right now, organically, not pay-per-click. So there's 151,000 people searching for this word every month. They're buying from the same 10, 15 people on the top of page one. If we look over here, we'll see in Q4, it actually goes up to almost 1.5 million people searching for this term. So it's a great term now and in Q4. And we're in the 18th spot. And if you look over here at the graph, we'll see what happened. Less than a month ago, we were in the 286th spot. We started driving traffic, running ads, made sure that the listing was perfectly optimized. And you can see over here that the graph is going upward. That's because we're getting more conversions. So over here, 286, then 273, then 212. But look over here on the 21st of March, it fell down a little. What's going on? What happens is Amazon, they're seeing where we belong. They're seeing we're getting sales. So what happens if we show them up higher on this term? Will they get more and more sales? And if they do get more sales, then they say, let's give it more visibility. Let's show it to more people and see where it belongs. How many sales can we get from this item? But they do it for a lot of different terms at the same time. It's like an auto campaign. It's amazing.